You see, you can fake success in front of others on social media, but you cannot fake who you really are with yourself. But the question is, how do you actually build discipline? What does Islam teach you about how to build discipline? So in this video, we are going to talk about those practical steps, because everybody talks about being disciplined, but nobody actually gives you what you actually have to do. So I will break down in this video what actually helped me build above average discipline, the kind that allow me, after Allah's permission, accomplish the milestones that I have accomplished in my life. And I will give you a spoiler right now. If you want to be more disciplined, you have to seek knowledge of Islam. To seek knowledge of Islam directly from the books, from the scholars, you have to learn the Arabic language. And you're going to be able to find in the description a video that explains to you how to learn Arabic from scratch, step by step. So when you finish watching this video, you can go ahead and watch that one. And that's pretty much the summary of the video. But if you want to actually watch all the steps and what to actually do in a practical way, go ahead and watch the full video, inshallah. So let's get straight into it.